Hey, how's it going, YouTube fam? So my name is Frisky Hug. I'm an EDM content creator. I go to a lot of raves, festivals, and I vlog about it. So today we have Reset New Year's Eve. It's in Colorado. Some of the big names on there today is gonna be Zomboy. We got Monxx. We got ATLiens. And honestly, I'm pretty hyped about today. So we got VIP. I'm here with about 7 people. And yeah, so enjoy the vlog, guys, and have fun. So we're here for Reset New Year's Eve! We're here! Hey buddy!
What's up, dude?
How you doing? Hey my dude!
Oh shit!
If you guys don't remember him, he's from the last vlog. Yeah, this thing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, hey.
What's up?
Hey!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Where's mom at?
She's back there.
Okay. Hey love!
Hi, sweetie!
Hey, come on, win! Oh,
Good to see you!
Good to see you too!
How you been?
Good. Green matter! Green matter! We're gonna go grab my flag because we're gonna go get a beer, and he thought it would be cool if I just grabbed my flag. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Fucking freezing, brother! It's cold as fuck! Cold as shit! So cold!
Well, I owe you a drink at least for all these PB&Js I'm about to eat.
I made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for everybody because I'm a rave.
He's a sweetheart and he thinks ahead.
I'm a rave uncle, so I gotta take care of my babies, my nieces and nephews.
What time is it?
We're making the wall up there!
So in Colorado, the sun goes down a little too soon, so it's already nighttime. It's still green matter. What's your name, man?
My name's Justin.
Justin, hey, welcome to the vlog. Doesn't this give you the porta potty in the festival vibes though? Some of y'all missing shit. Hey guys, so this is day 2, and yesterday was crazy. It was cold, but the lineup was sick as fuck. Here's the squad for today. This is Spencer. You guys haven't met him yet. So yeah, this is day 2, and this is all house today, so enjoy. We just got done setting up, got the lasers going on, got the totem going on. I don't know what time it is, but it's a pretty short time. So yesterday was super cold. It was cold, fuck that shit. It was freezing. So we layered up, motherfucker. We fucking layered up more. I have like shirts upon shirts upon shirts, and yeah, so we're gonna keep warm today. We're in GA today, we're not VIP, so it's gonna be different than yesterday's video. But it's still chilling, man. We're here with the vibes and shit, you know?
It's all the vibes.
Yeah, facts, my dude. I'm here with the homies. Allegedly. All right, so it's 7 o'clock. We're still here, but in Colorado, the sun kind of sets in a little early, but you know, whatever. Oh my god. Mask on, mask on, mask on. Put your mask on, put your mask on. Put your mask on, put your mask on. Okay, mask on.